Hi everyone, welcome to Dionea Creates. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some gorgeous vintage Christmas decoupage tissues. So let's just get started. So you guys, my dear friend Deborah at Deborah Booker Designs has her own custom line of decoupage tissues. She has over 85 tissues that she has designed, and you guys, they are just amazing. And these Christmas ones, she was very kind to send these to me, and these are just a few of them, and they are stunning. I cannot wait to make with these for sure. So let me just show you these tissues here. So this first one is absolutely beautiful. They're all beautiful, but so look at this. Wouldn't this be gorgeous on a wooden board? And then add snow and crackle and all the things. Oh goodness, it's just beautiful. And then this is a vintage church. And then here is a vintage Santa. There is a walking in the snow right here, and this is a tree with a sleigh in front. There are these winter birds right here. Aren't they just gorgeous? And then like up here is just like a strip of snowflakes. So look at all of these projects that you could get just from this one tissue. But wait, there are more. And so here is another one. And again, full of these gorgeous vintage images. And so look at this. Oh goodness, you guys. There are three vintage Santas on this. So if you like vintage Santas, then check this one out for sure. So there's this one right here. Here is some music. There's walking in the snow. So you could cut just that out and use it on a project. Look at this sweet deer with a Christmas tree behind. Here's another vintage Santa, another deer. There's a Merry Christmas here and here at the bottom. There are this vintage Santa. She did some lives with this, and she made a gorgeous book out of this, and it is just stunning. There's a little Christmas verse down here, so you could cut that out. And then here is another deer. There is yet another deer right here, and another Merry Christmas. There's some little birds right here. Some winter birds, and then this really, really pretty wreath with like some faded damask down here. Just beautiful. I mean, so many projects. I have so many ideas for these papers. And then here is another one. And so you guys look, let me open this one so you can see all of it. Look at this right here. Oh my goodness. Isn't that just the sweetest image? And the colors, they're just spot on from a vintage standpoint. They look just like an old Christmas card. Here is a sign right here. Down here is the Madonna. And then here is just like a little sign with an angel sitting here. Look at these Christmas birds right here. I think I have an idea of something I want to do with this one. And then here is another reindeer right here. And then there's Christmas right here and a Noel. So again, lots of projects that you can use and cut out bits and pieces. There's another strip of snowflakes here too. And there are more. She has other Christmas ones, not just these. They're all like vintage Christmas cards. So you guys, I will leave the link to these papers in the description box below. So you guys, please go check out these beautiful decoupage papers from Deborah at Deborah Bucher Designs. And Deborah, thank you so much for sending me these beautiful papers. I cannot wait to create with them. Another thing I wanted to mention to you guys is if you happen to be watching and you're a retailer, or you have you would like these papers in your town for, a stockist that you frequent their shop for, whether you're buying paint or stamps or anything like that. She also wholesales these. So there's a link on her website too for retailers, and I'll also put that in the description box. So if you want to be able to easily assess these, get easy access to these in your town, then you can share that with your retailer there. So as always, I appreciate you guys. Love and light to you all, and we'll see you again real soon.